Well, hi there, pluckers. I have Sore Fingers again with you with a bit of a help lesson on a song called Ferry Across the Mersey by Gerry and the Pacemakers. Unfortunately, Gerry Marsden passed away very recently, so very sad indeed. But one of my viewers has written in trying to play this wonderful song, and he's having a bit of an issue with it. To do with the intro, and the intro also goes through the verse, of course. It's the bit that goes. Okay. Obviously that goes for quite a while, from the intro into the verse, etc. So you're holding a bar down for quite a long time, and my viewer has an issue with his wrist or his arm, and after he's holding a bar for such a long time, he gets a problem, tendonitis in his elbow. So he's asked if I have an alternative way of playing this section of the song, right? So I've had to play around with a few things and come up with a couple of ideas. Okay, doesn't sound quite the same but similar. Okay. The first one involves no bar at all. Hopefully the second one doesn't either, really. But what I suggest you might like to try is this. Play the open bottom E string. So that's one alternative I've come up with. Okay. So I'll show you that one first, and then I'll show you my second one. Okay. So bottom E string open, then you play a double stop on the 4th string and the 5th string. First finger is playing the 4th string, D string, on the 6th fret. And my second finger is playing the A string, the 5th string, on the 7th fret. So you hit the bottom E string open and then these two together, okay? Then you take this shape down 2 frets. So my first finger is now playing the 4th string on the 4th fret and the 5th string on the 5th fret, okay? So you go, okay, got that? So bottom E string open, then this shape, and then that shape, 2 frets down. Then you play the 2nd string open, the B string. Then you repeat the whole thing, okay? Starting with the bottom E string open, okay? Not too bad. No bars involved, so no tension building up on the wrist, I don't think. Okay, so that's one alternative. The second alternative I come up with, which sounds probably a little bit more like the original, is again you play the bottom E string open. Okay. Is that. So bottom string open. And again another double stop. This time I'm using my 2nd finger and 3rd finger. You use whatever finger you feel like the feel of, or that's more comfortable for you. Okay. 9th fret of the 3rd string with my 2nd finger, and 9th fret of the 2nd string with my 3rd finger. Okay. So same idea as before. Bottom string open. These two together, then take this shape down 2 frets. So I'm now playing the 3rd string on the 7th fret and the 2nd string on the 7th fret. Okay, so. And then finish it off by adding your pinky onto the top E string on the 7th fret, there, and playing just that note. So now you've got. And then just repeat the whole thing. Okay, so I do an upstroke on that top E string, 7th fret, okay? So there you have it. You've got or no bars involved, so there shouldn't be too much pressure on the wrist, hopefully. Okay, so there you have it, boys and girls, my suggestions for a slightly easier version of the intro and verse section to Ferry Across the Mersey. Okay, so then you just go back to it, story of Ferry across the Mersey, da 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 da, and so on. You get the idea, or the other one? So there you have it, boys and girls. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.